Okay, here is a way I can help you. It's not something a write-up can really do. I had to dismantle my machine head just to explain how it is fixed to you. Before putting this has to come first. This one has to come first before you fix this. Now in fixing this one, look at these sharp edges. These three sharp edges. You have to make sure it sits in. You have to make sure this sharp edge goes into, you have to make sure this sharp edge goes into this other sharp edge, just like this. See how it is sitting perfectly? I'll remove it and show you again. This end here, be sure it goes into this one. Look at it. See how it is sitting perfectly? Once it goes into this one, the next thing you do is you get this one. Take note of the sides. This is the wrong side. It should face inside. While this is the right side, it should face outward. You now place this one this way. Making sure that this big hole here is upward, and this, okay, let me pull it out and show you better. Making sure that this big hole here is upward and this tiny rod is downward. This tiny rod is meant to sit inside the space, while the big hole is meant for the needle to be passing through during sewing. Very soon I'm going to be explaining all this on my YouTube channel, because any moment from now I'll kick off. So you can see I'm rolling the machine now. You see how freely it moves. So just take it step by step and try to do exactly what I have done. To uncouple, you remove this, pull this out, and then pull this out. To couple it back, you make sure that this end sits inside these three sharp edges. This way. This way. It sits inside it. Fits into it. Then the right side should face outward. The big hole up. This tiny rod down to sit in here. You just place it. Once you place it, you then lock it up tightly. Lock it up, and then you're good to go.